folks, Logan here, and today I'm going to show you how to put on these one-hand door lever locks as well as how actually they function. I'm going to go ahead and open them up. Pretty simple, easy to put on. All they have is just a little 3M tape here on the back, and we're just going to go ahead and peel that off. If I can get it peeled off. I got peeled off. What I'm gonna do here, put it on, try to get that handle just a little bit above the top latch, and make sure it's center and level, and there we go. That 3M tape is really strong, holds it on nice. Now a feature here on this, if you're really concerned, you can latch it up, and to open it, all you do is just press that button down. Now we can easily open the door and close it. And again, you do have to use both fingers on either side. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps.